on that parking spot for the Bellagio. That was nothing but pure luck. People would have killed for that parking spot. Well, I'm here to tell you that the strip is really packed tonight. You would not hardly believe it.
We need to go in front of every Vegas fan.
It's the same old thing over here all the time. Poor lighting, and it really messes up the camera. Oh, I see something over here, a horse. I see a horse. Oh, I like the horse. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not a bad looking horse. I think I get a picture of this if it'll come in.